friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking potatoes and eggs in a frying pan. So this is a very simple recipe. We just need potatoes, eggs, oil for cooking, and seasonings. I'll just use salt and pepper. You can use any seasonings you like. So to keep it simple, I have 3 potatoes and 3 eggs here. But of course that quantity doesn't really have to be exact. It's just what I happen to have. This is a great recipe to use up whatever is left in the kitchen. This is very cheap too. So if you're looking for a quick budget lunch or dinner, this is awesome. So I washed the potatoes before making the video, and now I'm going to peel them and cut them into cubes. So let's peel the potato. And now once I peel the potatoes, I'm going to cut the potatoes. So just cut them into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the quicker the potatoes cook. So now I cut the potatoes and I'm going to add them to the frying pan. So let's add some oil. And how much you use is totally up to you. It's a non-stick pan, so the oil is primarily for flavor, to just make the potatoes more brown. So let's add the potatoes. So first I'm going to cook the potatoes because they take much longer to cook than eggs, and I'm going to add eggs at the end once the potatoes are cooked. So I'm going to turn the heat on high, and once the oil starts sizzling and the pan is heated, I'm going to stir the potatoes and turn down the heat to medium-high. So now it's sizzling, so I'm going to turn the heat to medium-high, and I'm going to mix the potatoes. And now I'm going to cook them, stirring every minute until they're tender to my liking. It takes a different amount of time depending on how high is your heat and how hard are the potatoes. So just try them from time to time and see if they're tender. So now I've been cooking these potatoes for 17 minutes. So they're so nicely browned and they're tender. So just cook them until they're tender. And now I'm going to add the eggs. Just crack the eggs into the frying pan. And just scramble them, the potatoes. Continue mixing and cooking until the eggs are cooked, and then season it and you're done. So in this particular combination, it seems like there's more potatoes than eggs, and if you want mainly eggs, you can always add more eggs. This is one of those dishes where you just can be as creative as you'd like and make it the way you like it. Or in my case, that's what I had left, 3 potatoes and 3 eggs. And now I'm going to add my seasonings. So just add salt and pepper. And just add it to taste. So if you try it and it's not salty enough, just add some more. Now, potatoes do usually need more salt than a lot of other things. So totally make it to your taste. And we are done. Perfect. So just turn off the heat. And I'll try it. So now let's remove it from the frying pan. Perfect. So eggs add extra protein And you can add even more eggs to make it more filling, but just adding eggs makes it much more filling than plain potatoes. You can even eat it as a complete meal, and this is a great breakfast as well. So now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love eggs and I love potatoes. So delicious. You will love these eggs and potatoes. So easy and so yummy. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!